So in this video, I'm going to show you the best virtual dollar cards I've ever used to make international payments that actually work. All right, I've used these two virtual cards for over 3 years now. They've not given me any single issue, and I think it is good I share with my subscribers so that they can actually get it and start making international payments seamlessly. All right, so let's get right into it. If you're new here, I am Faith, and all I do on this channel is to teach how to make money legitimately on the internet, and also teach how to build websites, professional websites with WordPress. So if you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to go straight to my account now to show you that these cards work actually. So this is my account. If you look at here, number one on the list is grey.co. all right, so if you look at here, this is my account, Faith Amole. All right, it's my personal verified account, and on this channel I have done a video on how to create US bank account with GigPay. You can consider watching that video. It's a step-by-step guide that's going to walk you through the entire process of creating an account and verifying your account. It is almost the same method with Grey. All right, create account, verify your account, and you're good to go. So let me quickly show you some of the transactions I've made recently. So if you look at my screen now, you can see that on the 10th of March, that was a day before yesterday, I paid for domain, Hostinger domain, $17. All right, it was successful. So these ones that you see failed were auto renewal that was initiated. All right, and then I declined them. The system declined them because I didn't want auto renewal. As you can see, apart from that, all my transactions with Grey have been successful for over 3 years. No issue, no headache. So consider getting Grey if you want to make international payment without stress. I will drop a link in the comment where you can, I will drop a link to download the app in the description of this video. Just click on the link, sign up, and you're good to go. All right, so the second one on my list is GigPay. Like I said before, I've made a video on this channel on how to create a US bank account on this channel, so you can consider watching that video as it pops up now. All right, so what you have to do is just create an account, follow that video, create an account. You will get access to a virtual US bank account, a foreign bank account. So what these platforms do for you, so as you can see, these are my transactions on GigPay. All right, on 15th I made a payment for Google Play console, all right, $25, and it was successful. And these are some of the transactions. These ones that you see declined were also domain renewal on auto renewal, you understand? So the system had to decline them because I didn't want auto renewal. So apart from that, all the transactions I've been doing with them have been perfect. Both of them work. Like, I use them side by side. I can use this one for this transaction based on their exchange rate. This is my honest review. So I sometimes, if I want to make transactions for that day, what I do is I compare their exchange rates. The one that has lower exchange rate, I use that one for that day. That's how I use them side by side. So two of them are the same thing. I rate two of them 10/10. In terms of rating, I rate two of them 10/10. So what I do is the one that has better exchange rate for me that day, that is the one I use. They almost have the same exchange rates, almost, except on few occasions where you can see slight difference. So but you know, now if you want to buy dollar, you just need to go for the one that favors you. All right, so that's what I do. The two of them will give you foreign bank accounts, all right, for your euro, your dollar, and what have you. So just click the link in the description, download the app, sign up, verify your account, and you are good to go. So if you have any question regarding this, leave it in the comment section and I will attend to you. If there's anything you want me to make video on, just drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it and I will make a detailed video explaining what it is. See you in my next video.